Okay, this is day 3 of the barbecue road trip. Parked here on 39th Street, right on the Kansas-Missouri border, where they've opened up a ton of cool restaurants and bars. Miami Ice. We've got Signs of Life here in Kansas City, Missouri. We're back here at Q39. Had to park in the back because it's so busy and it's like 2 o'clock. But anyway, we want to try the pork belly and sausage corn dogs. We'll see you inside. All right, we're gonna go off the reservation here and we're gonna go get a dumpling at the Blue Koi. I'm in Kansas City and I'm going to get a dumpling. Excuse me, waitress. There's a frog in my water. All right, tonight we are gonna round out the barbecue road trip at Jack Stack. This is not gonna suck. Our appetizer is smoked jalapeno, cornbread, and hand